Okay, let's just wait for a couple of minutes and then we'll start off our class for the day. Okay, action kuram साथीहरुको लागि. Nunim and Josna together again. So be ready with your note copy and a pen, please. We have 9 participants so far. अलिकति कुरा मेटिसिनको लागि है. Let's take our time. And meanwhile, I'd like to request all of you to please turn on your video camera. है. Arya and Anjesh पनि सँगै हुनुहुन्छ. Okay. Suman, I'm not getting your video. We're not seeing you on the video. Please turn on your video camera. Pallav Sigdel also. May I please request you? Yes, thank you, Pallav. Please make sure that you turn on your camera all the time during this class, okay? You have to turn on your video camera during this whole period of 40 minutes. So let's just be clear with that first. So we'll start off from where we left in the previous class. We're doing the multiplication of the expressions. Okay. So far we learned monomial to monomial and binomial by monomial. Okay, so we also know that in multiplication powers, okay, powers of the same bases are added to each other. Today we're gonna learn something new. I've already done in previous class, but let's say revision, and we are touching the topic today, which will be also a multiplication, but a binomial by binomial. Multiplication of binomial. Okay. So before doing that, going back, let's just do discussion regarding the previous classwork. Okay, so previous assignment दिएको थियो हामीले हजुरहरुलाई मैले दिए थिए, and we had to do that. अनि talking about the assignments, I'm really not impressed by the results there. धेरैले गर्नु भएको छैन है. So 20 students have submitted the assignment. I will take the name. Okay, if you're here, Dipunj Rana, you haven't submitted the assignment of the previous class. I'm sorry to inform you. Let me see. So there are so many. Kriti Kharka, like Nirajan, Oshin Chaulagai, Prajwal Kotwal, Pallav Gamer, maybe Pallav Sigdel, right? Okay, so many students of our class are gamers. All right. There's so many students. Saksam Kharka hasn't submitted the assignment. Suman Tamang also. Sujin Shrestha as well. There are so many, okay? So please, let's not do this. We have to submit our assignments in time, being sincere, okay? I mean, after sincere भएर चाहिँ assignment गर्नुपर्छ and time may submit पनि गर्नुपर्छ है, because without that it's not going to be a very fruitful yes, please, Sumanji, you're saying anything?
Sir, no mobile. My sister is going at shop, no? That's it.
Does she stay there? She comes back home, right?
But at night, very night.
Yeah. In the morning, what do you do in the morning?
Not in home. Again, go to.
Yeah, so you have to, I don't know, like that's your problem, if I have to speak honestly, and you'll have to manage up with that. Okay, Suman? I take that just for, just for an excuse, okay? Nothing more than that. So all you have to do is wake up early or just wake up late, okay? That's all you have to do. And you'll have to submit it. Sujin Shrestha also is there. Sujinलाई पनि भने मैले, I'm not getting your submissions. Arya Anjesले पठाउनु भएको छ. I don't think I have got your submission. Anyways, let's talk about the classwork assignments given to us. एउटा थियो multiply भनेर दिएको थियो. त्यही क्वेशनलाई गरौँ. I will share a screen with you guys. So please pay very, very close attention here. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna share a screen here with you all. So let me quickly write the question for you. Okay. Quickly, I will just copy the question here. So the question was, twice x square y cube, 5x cube y minus 5x cube y to the power minus 1 minus 6x square y square. This was the question. Okay, we had to multiply this, and as we can see, the inside the bracket we have a binomial. Okay, we have a binomial inside the bracket, which is 5x cube y to the power minus 1 minus 6x square y square. Okay, since there are two terms, it is a binomial. Okay, but on the outside of the bracket we have a monomial, which is minus 2x square y cube. Okay, it's a monomial. Take so. Now, so first thing we do here is we just split the bracket. Right? Bracket like split garsam, and just we all know that this term here, the multiply in our case is minus 2x square y cube. Let's say dubai term, both the terms, it has to multiply both the terms inside the bracket. So it has to multiply 5x cube y minus 1 minus, and also minus 6x square and y square individually. Okay, pale palo, right? Term wise individually it has to multiply both the terms. Okay, यो कुरा हामीले पहिले पनि सिकिसकेका छौं. So let's just do that. Okay, so we also know that while opening up the bracket we have to multiply the sign. We need to multiply the sign. हामीले sign multiply गर्नु जरुरी छ. Okay, so first of all let us multiply to 5x cube by y to the power minus 1. First term is 5x cube y to the power minus 1 to be multiplied. Okay, that is the first term. So in order to multiply, let's just multiply the signs first. So 5 ko agadi cha plus, 2 ko agadi cha minus. Okay, in front of the 5 there is plus, and in front of 2 there is minus. So minus and plus if you multiply gives us minus. Okay, minus and plus if you multiply gives us minus. So we have 2x square y cube will multiply 5x cube y to the power minus 1. Okay, this is the first multiplication. Okay, first split. Okay, we have to split the whole bracket. Just for the duita terms. This is the first split. We have second term as well inside the bracket, which is minus 6x square y square. Okay, so it has to be multiplied by 2x square y cube again, individually, pale. Right? Now, in order to do that, first of all, we have to multiply the sign. Right? In order to do that, we have to multiply the sign. So in front of 6, there is minus, and in front of 2, there is minus. So if we multiply those signs, minus and minus, negative and negative multiplied gives us positive, that is plus. So we have plus here. Okay. If any confusion to anyone, please unmute yourself and speak. Okay. Sign multiply, all you have to do is put them in the form of multiplication, just like this. Y cube shall multiply 6x square y square. Okay, is there any confusion so far? Anyone? If you have, just unmute yourself and speak. The next step, see, this is very simple now. It's a monomial by monomial. Like monomial by monomial. So हामीले जतिसुकै terms भनौं. Okay, doesn't matter binomial, trinomial, जेसुकै आओस्. At the end of the day, last मा चाहिँ गएर हामीले चाहिँ अपडेट गर्नुपर्ने चाहिँ के रहेछ, लास्टमा monomial by monomial नै आउँदो रहेछ के. It will end up to monomial by monomial. Last मा गएर जसरी पनि monomial by monomial नै multiplication आउँदो रहेछ. In case of division as well, which we will study in the next class. है अगाडि हेर्नु सबैले अब the first one we have sign is minus, अनि हामी चाहिँ नम्बरलाई मल्टिप्लाई गर्दियौ 2 times 5. Okay, now we have two x's. एउटामा x को पावर छ 2 अनि अर्कोमा x को पावर छ 3. So in multiplication the powers are added. X को पावर add भयो. ठीक छ? Is there anyone in confusion to anyone? Again, for the y we have 3 in the power for the first term, and we have plus, but we have minus 1. So plus minus gives us minus, and there is 1. Hey, okay, and minus 1 by the power already minus 1 is there is minus 1. Again, we have plus in the sign in the middle. Okay, we have to multiply the numbers. We have to multiply the numbers, and for x the powers are 2 and 2. 2 and 2. Okay, and for y the powers are 3 and 2, and we all know that we need to multiply the sign in case of multiplication. We need to add the signs in case of multiplication. The powers of the same bases are added in case of multiplication. Same base as in x to x, y to y. Okay, so it's a simple math remainder now. We have minus 10 x to the power 5 y to the power 2 plus 12 x to the power 4 y to the power 5. Okay, now there are no like terms there. अब कुनै पनि like terms छैन, multiply गर्न पनि केही पनि छैन, so this will be your answer. Okay, is there anyone any confusion to anyone? If anyone has the confusion, please unmute yourself and speak up. We're going to discuss this again if we have. Okay, otherwise this is the right answer for you and you can copy it, right?
So in the y, in first there is y power 2 and you have written y power 3.
Where, in which line, Babu?
In the second line of answer.
Second line. Okay. No, there is the power of y is 3 in the first term. 2x y x square y cube.
Second term, sir.
Excuse me?
Of that 6x square.
Y square, yeah. This one?
Yes, but in down you have written y power 3.
Y power 3. See, in the third line, हेर्नुस् है, यहाँ चाहिँ हाम्रो y को power 3 छ, यहाँ y को power 2 छ, हेर्नुस् है. Okay, so they are multiplied. उनीहरुलाई multiply गरिरहेछौं अनि y भएपछि त y को power त add हुने भयो. So 3 छ अगाडि, पछाडि 2 छ. So we have written 3 plus 2. Okay, अनि यो अगाडिको यो 2x square y cube चाहिँ यहाँबाट आएको. This is from here. Okay, यसले यसलाई मल्टिप्लाई गरेको, यो इन्डिभिजुअली यसलाई यसरी मल्टिप्लाई गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ यसको रिजल्ट चाहिँ यस्तो हुँदो रहेछ. यहाँ हेर्नुस् त ल. See? Okay, Rojan?
Yes, sir.
All right, anyone else? Okay, then we shall move to the next question. Hamra duita question थियो नि त है. We had to do 2 questions and this was the first one and second one हामी गर्न लाग्छ. मैले 3 को d गर्ने भनेर चाहिँ दिएको थियो, 3d. So can I drop this one? मैले यो मेट दिए है. I shall erase this one. Okay, all right, so let's move to the question number 3d of the given picture. I will write the question here. The question was something like this. Okay, it's a very complicated one, very complicated one here, but like for a level it is a complicated question. So the question is something like this: 3a square has to multiply a square plus b square, a square plus b square, and the sign in the middle is minus, and 2b square has to multiply, it has to be square has to multiply a square plus b square again, a square plus b square. Okay, all right, so this is the question that we had to do. So this is nothing but like it's the gar kehi pani chaina, multiplication ho. This is a multiplication, but here we have to do it twice, right? दुईचोटी गर्नुपर्ने वाला छ. And यो प्रोसेस तपाईले राम्रोसँग बुझ्नु भयो भने हाम्रो नेक्स्ट पढ्न लागेको टपिकलाई नि एकदमै सजिलो हुन्छ है. सेम प्रोसेस हामी अर्को टपिकमा अप्लाई गर्छौं है. बाइनोमियल बाइ बाइनोमियल, इट इज इन फ्याक्ट अ बाइनोमियल मल्टिप्लिकेसन बाइ बाइनोमियल, तर एउटा स्टेप अगाडि दिएछ हामीलाई है. हामी चाहिँ फर्स्ट स्टेपबाट सुरु गर्नुपर्छ. दिस इज द सेकेन्ड स्टेप of the multiplication we are going to learn in the later this class. Okay, now so first of all हामी फर्स्ट को ब्राकेट लाई मात्र ध्यान दियौं है त. फर्स्ट को ब्राकेट लाई मात्र ध्यान दियौं. सो सुरुमा चाहिँ हामीले यो बाइनोमियल बाइ मोनोमियल क्यारी आउट गरौँ है त. ओके, सो फर दिस वान 3 को अगाडि छ प्लस, a स्क्वायर को अगाडि छ प्लस. सो प्लस प्लस गिव्स अस प्लस. सिन्स प्लस सुरुमा लेखिराख्नु पर्दैन, डाइरेक्टली हामीले के लेख्न पाए त, 3a स्क्वायर multiplies a square. Okay, first one. Again for the b square को अगाडि छ प्लस, 3a square को अगाडि छ प्लस. So plus plus gives us plus. So here is plus. ठीक छ? And we have multiplication, 3a square multiplies b square. Okay, the first one. हाम्रो फर्स्ट को सक्यो है. फर्स्ट को ब्राकेट को सक्यो. अब जाउँ हामी सेकेन्डको ब्राकेटमा, which is this one. This is the second bracket here. अब यसलाई गरौँ हामी. So first of all, let us multiply the sign. Okay. So 2b square को अगाडि छ minus. A square को अगाडि छ plus. So minus and plus gives us minus. Minus plus gives us minus. So we have minus 2b square multiplies a square. Okay, the first term. And now for the b square, second term छ हामीसँग b square. So we have b square को अगाडि छ plus 2b square को अगाडि छ minus. So plus minus gives us minus. Okay, plus minus minus. So we have 2b square multiplies b square. Okay, is there any confusion anyone? ठिक छ. अब त हामीले simply multiply नै गर्ने हो. लास्टमा हेर्नुस् just there are 4 terms there and each term चारवटै टर्ममा चाहिँ it's a monomial multiplied by monomial. अघि मैले भनेको थिए it will end up in the monomial by monomial. लास्टमा जसरी पनि monomial by monomial नै गर्नुपर्छ. ठिक छ. Okay, so now the answer is simple. 3a to the power 2 plus 2 plus 3a square b square minus 2a square b square minus 2b to the power 2 plus. Right, okay, so yasama, is there any confusion? If you have, just unmute yourself and speak. Is there anything? Okay, then we shall move forward. This is simple. Simple mathematics. So we have 3a to the power 4, okay, plus 3a square b square minus 2a square b square minus 2b to the power 4. Okay, now अघिसम्म चाहिँ we did not have any like terms. Okay, last मा गएर हामीसँग like terms थिएन, but यहाँ चाहिँ like terms छ. So I like to ask Mr. Rahul Ghimire a question, please. Rahul ji, can I please talk to you? Rahul ji, त्यहाँनिर like terms छ भने मैले in the last term, that is the 4th step, there are some like terms. Okay, so can you please tell me what are those like terms? त्यहाँ भएको मध्येमा which are the like terms?
3a square b square minus 2a square b square.
Very good, Rahul ji. So the like terms are plus 3a square b square and minus 2a square b square, because as we see there, त्यहाँ चाहिँ bases are a र b and the powers are 2 2. दुबैमा हेर्नुस् त a square र b square छ क्या दुबैमा. In the both the terms we have the bases a square and b square with the same power. Okay, a ko power 2, b ko power 2. That means we have same base, same power. If we have those kind of terms, they are called like terms. So like terms लाई चाहिँ हामीले add अथवा subtract गर्नु मिल्छ. In this case we will subtract because we have different sign. Okay, 3 को अगाडि छ plus, 2 को अगाडि छ minus. So we have 3a to the power 4 plus 1a square b square हुन्छ, but we know 1 लेखिराख्नु जरुरी छैन. In multiplication we don't have to write 1, so लेखिराख्नु परेन, and 2b to the power 4. Now we do not have to do anything. हामीसँग केही गर्न बाँकी remaining केही पनि छैन, and this will be our correct answer. Any confusion, anyone? We're good here. Okay, then you can copy if you want to. I'll give you 1 minute for that. Okay, so let's move forward. So अब अगाडि हेर्नुस् है. Now we will learn how to multiply a binomial by binomial. यो भयो monomial by binomial. We'll learn how to multiply binomial by binomial. Okay, so this is an example. हेर्नुस् त, multiplication of binomial by binomial. This is an example. So we have first binomial that we have is 4b minus twice a. 4b minus 2a is the first binomial and it is in the first bracket. The second binomial that we have is 7a cubed minus 4b square. 7a cubed minus 4b square. Okay, So अब यसमा चाहिँ what we do here is we split the first bracket है, फर्स्ट को ब्राकेटलाई हामीले सुरुमा स्प्लिट गर्छौं, that is this one in our case. यसलाई चाहिँ हामीले सुरुमा स्प्लिट गर्छौं because यहाँ चाहिँ यो b ले यो 4b ले पनि दुवैलाई मल्टिप्लाई गर्नुपर्छ र -2a ले पनि दुवैलाई मल्टिप्लाई गर्नुपर्छ. ओके, पालै पालो. सो फर्स्ट अफ अल हामीले चाहिँ फर्स्ट को ब्राकेटलाई स्प्लिट गर्दै रहेछौं. ओके, लाइक दिस. सी हेर्नुस् त, यहाँ हेर्नुस् है, सबैले हेर्नुस् अगाडि स्क्रिनमा ध्यान दिएर हेर्नुस्, जस्ट पे अटेन्सन. सो 4b has to multiply this whole two terms. एन्ड यसरी मल्टिप्लाई गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ यो कस्तो भएर आउँदो रहेछ भन्दाखेरि यहाँ हेर्नुस् त, इन द ब्लू कलर यसरी चाहिँ आउँदो रहेछ, जस्ट लाइक दिस. सी सिम्पली हामीले 4b लाई टपक्क टिपेर सेकेन्ड ब्राकेट सँग राख्दै छौं के, विथ द सेकेन्ड ब्राकेट, with the second bracket, a second bracket, second binomial there. Okay, ठीक छ. अगेन फेरि पनि -2a ले पनि त मल्टिप्लाई गर्नु पर्यो, यसलाई पालै पालो गर्नुपर्छ, सरी पालै पालो गर्नुपर्छ भनेको छौं हामीले. सो -2a has to multiply this whole term. सो यसरी मल्टिप्लाई गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ यो बनेर आउँदो रहेछ. सी इन द रेड इङ्क, हेर्नुस् त, रेड इङ्कमा लाइक द्याट. सी ओके, अब यो टर्म हेर्नुस् है, यो हेर्नुस् त, यो हामीले भर्खरै गरिसकेका छौं क्या. वी हेभ जस्ट डन दिस काइन्ड अफ क्वेसन, भर्खरै गरेका छौं. वेयर, लेट मी शो यु है, यस्तो खालको क्वेसन कहाँ गरेका छौं हामीले भन्दाखेरि राइट हियर भर्खरै गरेका छौं. हेर्नुस् त, सी त्यस्तै क्वेसन गरे आउने र जस्ट नाउ है हामीले भर्खरै सेम काइन्ड अफ क्वेसन गर्यौं. सो दिस इज द, यो फर्स्ट स्टेप चाहिँ यहाँको सेकेन्ड स्टेप भयो कि. सी सेकेन्ड स्टेप है, एउटै रहेछ नि कुरा है, स्पिड इजी नि अब त हैन. सो अब फेरि हामीले ध्यान दिएर हेर्दै जाने हो भने फर्स्ट ब्राकेटलाई हामीले स्प्लिट गर्छौं एन्ड सेकेन्ड ब्राकेटलाई नि हामी स्प्लिट गर्छौं पालै पालो. कसरी भन्दाखेरि लेट मी शो यु, सी लाइक दिस. हेर्नुस् त सबैले, लेट मी एक्सप्लेन इट टु यु. सो 4b has to multiply 7a cube and hence it has 4b again has to multiply 4b square and hence it has. हेर्नुस् त ल, पालै पालो मल्टिप्लाई गरेको छ 4b ले दुवै टर्मलाई. ओके, with the sign. Again for the second one 2a has to multiply 7a cube, but first my sign, so minus plus gives us minus. Okay, and 2a ले 7a cube लाई मल्टिप्लाई गरेछ. हेर्नुस् है. ओके, so 2a also has to multiply 4b square, but first sign, so minus gives us plus. See, अनि 2a ले 4b square लाई मल्टिप्लाई गरेछ. सी देख्नु भयो सबैले, केही छ कन्फ्युजन यहाँसम्म? इज देयर एनीथिङ?
No, sir.
ओके, लेट्स मुभ फरवर्ड. अब नेक्स्ट स्टेप त अघि हामीले गर्ने हो. सी मोनोमियल बाइ मोनोमियल हामीसँग 4 वटा मल्टिप्लिकेसन छ. देयर आर 4 मल्टिप्लिकेशन्स. Each multiplications represents monomial by monomial. So as I've said already that जतिसुकै होस् टर्म्सहरु बाइनोमियल, ट्राइनोमियल, पोलिनोमियल जतिसुकै होस् लास्टमा गएर चाहिँ हामीले मोनोमियल बाइ मोनोमियलै गर्नुपर्ने रहेछ. ओके, लास्टमा we'll end up with monomial by monomial. So there are 4 multiplications there. Each of them are monomial by monomial. Okay, so let's not stress about that. So see, यो त हामीले गरिरहेछौं. So we multiply the coefficients, then add the powers of the same bases, and we have something like this. 28a cube b minus 16b cube minus 14a4, 8a plus 8ab square. In all those 4 terms, none of them are like to each other. None of the terms are like terms. Okay, कुनै पनि टर्म्सहरु चाहिँ like term हैन. Okay, none of them are like terms because although the bases are same in first and the last term, the powers are different. ab bhaye pani powers are different. Okay, so if the powers are different, they are called unlike terms. So this is how we carry out the multiplication of the binomial by binomial. So I have given you a classwork regarding this one. तपाईको question 4D गर्नुपर्छ है. You have to look up in the book and do question number 4D. 4 को D गर्नुपर्छ. You have to do it in your copy. Copy मा गर्नुहोस्. Copy मा गरेर चाहिँ take a picture and submit it to me right away. है. You have like 5 minutes to do that. You have 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes of the It's another topic CW13-1, everyone. CW131. Can I move out from this screen? यो screen बाट move out गरे है. Right, I will stay here. तपाईहरुको लागि क्लास आइसकेको छ under the topic CW131. Everyone, 4 को D, you have to do 4D. Okay, you have 5 minutes, so please hurry up, everyone. You only have 5 minutes. Hey, yes, please.
Which number are doing?
4D. I mentioned in the question as well. I question mention गरेको छु. Do question 4D from the picture. भनेको छु हेर्नुस् त. 4 को D गर्नु पर्ने छ तपाईहरुले. Okay, the question, I will write the question here. म question यहाँ पनि लेखिदिन्छु.
Sir, how to put photo?
Attachment गर्ने त्यहाँनिर option छैन. There must be an option attachment को लागि. For P minus 5 should multiply P minus 2. P minus 2. This is your question, hey? This is the question that you have to do. You have 4 minutes. Copy my garners, take a picture attached to the answer. You have 2 minutes. Rina Jha. भनेको मुक्ता होला हो. मुक्ता झाले सबमिट गर्नु भएको छ.
Yes, sir.
4p square minus 8p. मुक्ताको लास्टमा अलिकति रङ भयो लास्टको एन्सरमा. So please check that out, है. It should be minus 13p. हेर्नुस् त एकचोटी. Chirayu also has submitted the answer. Thank you, Chirayu. Your answer is very correct. You have 1 minute left, everyone. 1 minute. Okay, Aruna Upreti. Aruna Upreti भनेको हुनुहुन्छ. Okay, who is Aruna Upreti? Aruna को लास्टमा 13p हुनुपर्छ है. The answer should be 13p. हेर्नुस् त minus 8p minus 5p छ. Minus 8p र minus 5p भनेपछि चाहिँ there should be 13p because those are the like terms. Okay, so like terms को चाहिँ हामीले add र subtract गर्नै पर्छ. We have to do the addition or subtraction as necessary. Okay, Rosan also has submitted the answer. Thank you, Rosan. Yes, very much correct. Diksha also has submitted. Thank you, Diksha. Mukta ko फेरि resubmission आइसकेको छ. Thank you, Mukta. Okay, your submissions are coming. I will be checking them. है. Uma Ghimire भनेको को हुनुहुन्छ? Who is Uma Ghimire?
Josna.
Josna, is that you? Josna, तपाईको लास्टमा एन्सर 13p हुन्छ है. minus 13p. हेर्नुस् त minus 8p minus 5p छ. Those are the like terms. So if we have like terms, we need to operate them, add them together. Okay. All right. So I'll be giving you an assignment. You'll have to do it for tomorrow. हामी भोलि पनि क्लास हुन्छ है. So Rahul Ghimire, you don't there you see 8p को पनि sign minus छ, 3p को पनि sign minus छ. So both have minus sign, same sign भएपछि add हुन्छ. Not 3p, that would be 13p. Arjun Sigdel, who is Arjun Sigdel? Who is Arjun Sigdel? Arjun Sigdel has submitted the very correct answer. Okay. Okay, everyone, I have given you a classwork as an assignment. Assignment चाहिँ तपाईहरुले गर्नुपर्छ. And with that assignment, you will have to find out the formulas for these three terms. Okay, these three expressions. तपाईहरुले तीनटा a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square र a square minus b square को formula चाहिँ तपाईहरुले खोजेर पढ्नु पर्ने छ. I will ask you all tomorrow. भोलि हाम्रो क्लास हुन्छ है. We will have a class tomorrow. So I will ask you all. Uma Ghimire Uma को फेरि पनि मैले त्यही भने minus 3p, so minus 8p minus 5p will give us minus 13p. Okay, since those are the like terms. And I have given you an assignment under the topic CW132. You'll have to do focus C र F. Okay, focus C र F गर्नु पर्ने छ तपाईहरुले. CW132 is the topic for the today's assignment. अनि भोलि हाम्रो क्लास हुन्छ. So you'll have to submit it before like आजै सबमिट गर्दा राम्रो है. I will check it out. तपाईले आज सबमिट गर्नु भने धेरै राम्रो हुन्छ. Okay, and also you will have to find out the formulas for this a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, and a square minus b square. Okay, सो सबैले यो फाइन्ड आउट गरेर चाहिँ मलाई भोलि बुझाउनु होला अनि I will also ask you all the same question. Okay, the formula चाहिँ मैले सोध्नेवाला छु भोलि. So भोलि हाम्रो अलिकति oral test पनि हुन्छ. Okay, we'll have an oral test as well. I hope you will submit your answers in time. I hope today's class was fruitful to you all. Thank you all for being in the class actively. Thank you so much.
Bye,
भोलिको लागि
sir.
चाहिँ keep prepared, है. Bye everyone. Have a good day.